Hello, this is Kayla Lindstead, and I was assigned the Insert tab of Excel. So this is a template that I made of a gradebook, and I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table, which is this button right here. And I found that it is very useful for teachers in particular, because instead of just making a regular chart or a table, you can make one where you can manipulate the data easier. So basically, your first step is to just highlight or select all of the information that you want on your chart or table and turn it into a table, a regular table. So click Table, it has your information, click OK, and now it's a table. Okay, then go back to the Insert tab, go to Pivot Table, but go down to this bottom part and push Pivot Chart. And it automatically will take your table and put it in there and say that it's going to go to a new worksheet, which is what you want. So you click OK. And here's your chart that you're going to make and your table. And you can move them if you want or do whatever. And you can choose over here the information from the table, the original table, that you want to add to your pivot chart. So I want to, let's say I want to find the difference between the first writing prompt that the kids did and the final one. So this is what it makes. And for you want to go to value field settings down here and change it to, you can change it to a lot of different things. See, but I'm going to change it to average. And I'm going to change the other one down here on values to average too. And so you can quickly see that the class average went from a 75 to a 96.3 from the first prompt to the last prompt. Well, let's say that I want to add in student names to see how each student actually did improved from the first prompt to the last prompt. See, and they're color coded. But let's say I don't want all the kids. Let's say I want to look at just, not all of them, but maybe I want to compare two of them. I want to compare Letitia and Mark and Robin. So it gives you, it automatically updates all the data so that it shows you just these three kids, and you can just put in as much data or as little data as you want on your chart. So it's a great way to look at the data in different ways or to explain it to parents. Okay, so that's the main thing I wanted to show you on the Insert tab. Other things you can do, obviously the more common ones, you can insert pictures, clip art, shapes, any type of shape that you want. Yeah, you can write in it. You can insert, of course, charts. Let's wait a sec. Let's insert a chart with our data. See, that's a lot of data. Let's move it over here. Okay, so I'll just real quickly show you how to change charts to make them more understandable. So you go to, you click on the axis that you want. So I want this one, vertical axis, format axis. And I'm gonna go to fixed axis options and change it to 100, because obviously assignments are only going to go to 100%. And I want to change the units it's shown by to 10. So now they only go up to 100%. And you can design and layout and format, change the colors, change the shapes, anything you want over here. Okay, so back to our Insert tab. You can insert screenshots. You can hyperlink things, anything you want. Add text boxes. Yeah, so the rest of it's pretty basic. But the pivot table I just found was the most important for teachers. And that is my demonstration of the Insert tab. Thank you.